My husband just finished putting together this vanity. It did take him about an hour. He said that it was easy. Instructions were super clear. It's just that you have to build every single piece. Obviously, they want it to fit in like a nice small box, so everything needs to be built. As you can see, the lights right here, I think these are really cool. I've done a few vanities before, and normally like they're like stuck on here. I love that they're all individual. The one thing that you have to keep in mind is you do have all of the wiring here in the back, but obviously that's what makes it unique to be able to have them like this instead of like stuck on here on a string. Definitely like this a lot better, but you're just gonna have to have this up against a wall because that doesn't look very nice. You do have the power outlet on the side, so you have two plugs here, and then you have your USB. One of them is for the lights, and then on the lights you have the little control here so we can turn them on and off. And then you have the 3 different settings. So you have the 3 different colors, and they're also adjustable. So like I can completely dim them, and then I can make them brighter as well. You've got the little hook here for your hair dryer, which makes sense because you have the plug right here. You get to plug it right in and hang it there. And then of course you have all the drawers. You've got your main drawer right here. And then this one here, which I thought was kind of neat. So of course you have these little open shelves, and this one here is not on any hinges or rollers, because if you decide you don't actually want to have the drawer there, you can take it out. It does have like little screws here, but they do give you those little stickers you can put over top, so like you can't see it as much. So that's completely up to you. I like the idea that you can do both of them here. I also like that this one, so this one is a drawer even though there's no handle, and then this one here is an open space, so you can kind of just have something showing here. One of the things I do like about this is that like it's a lot smaller than like the traditional massive vanities, but you still have so much space, which I think is really nice. And it of course comes with the chair. One thing here, let me see if I can get this. Yeah, so there is storage inside here. Some of these are on a hinge. I actually kind of like that this is not on a hinge, but obviously you just kind of have to pry it open and then pop it down. Sometimes when you have the hinge, like it's easier to get it kind of like broken or snapped. So being able just to pull this off, I think is really great. And yeah, so I think this is really cute. If you have a smaller space, obviously the mirror right now, we do have the film on here. I didn't want to take that off until I have it in its position where it's going to stay. But yeah, I think this is really cute. Again, I can't get over the lights. I think they're really great. But if you're looking for a vanity that has all the bells and whistles, but is not super massive, this one's great.